Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So right now you know the thing set. I do some meal prep. It's Saturday. I have some rice here. Just gonna wash that rice. Add a little bit of oil to the pot. Green seasoning going in. Gonna go in with some spices. I have here some curry powder, some turmeric, I have some coriander, some seasoning salt, white pepper, and over here I have some chili flakes. Add those in. I'll mix that up. And then to that we're gonna add the washed rice. And we're gonna stir. So coat every single rice grain. Gonna add some coconut milk to some mixed vegetable and water. Gonna add that in. Add the rest of that coconut milk. Give that a stir. So you stir that up. You can taste and adjust where seasoning is concerned. You realize how the rice take on the color of the turmeric and the curry powder from the jump. That's because I kinda saute the rice in the onion, just like you do regular curry, right? So mix that in. So this here is about 4 to 5 cups of rice and 2 cups of mixed vegetable. 6 cups of water are just enough to cover the rice. I'm gonna go into a generous amount of butter. White pepper is inside, a little bit of black pepper. Stir that up. I'm gonna allow this to reduce. Yeah, cook it on medium heat until the water starts to absorb. Cover that up. Gonna be making some ground beef, but a quick thing, like a sloppy joe type of barbecue sloppy joe type of ground beef, you know. Hit the pan with some oil, little bit of green seasoning, little bit of jerk seasoning, and a pound of lean ground beef. Just gonna break that up. Gonna go in with some all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon and a half, nothing too crazy. A little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, about a tablespoon of each, and some browning sauce for color. Stir that up. Once the rice reaches this level, you turn it down to minimum. We're going to cover that and allow it to steam. We're going to go in with some barbecue sauce, about a 1/4 cup, and give that a stir. If you have onions and stuff like that, you can chop those up in there. But because I have the green seasoning, this is fine as it is. You can add a little bit of water to this. So we have here a little bit of flour and water, about a tablespoon of flour to 2 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to mix that and add it in. This is going to help the beef to be nice and moist. We're going to go in. So at this point, I want to turn it down on low. There you go. Some nice sloppy joe type vibe. You can serve this with bread, rice, potato, you name it. I'm gonna work on a little bit of lettuce, add some vinegar, some salt. Gonna scrub these. The salt and the vinegar help to clean the lettuce, right? just gonna rinse that off. I'm gonna cut up this cucumber now. You see this? Really hard man thing, this man. So quick little tossed salad. Alright, so for the lettuce, just pot dry them. If you have one of those lettuce spinners to get out the excess water, you can do that. Just rough chop the lettuce. Alright. You can put whatever salad dressing of your choice, or you can just leave it as is. Alright? Or you can put them in separate bowls until you're ready to serve. You just assemble them so that they don't go bad, because you know the tomato will get everything sour, right? So you can separate everything in their respectful containers until you're ready to serve. Because I'm going to be eating this right now, tossing everything. Alright, going to be making some smoothie. So I have here spinach, pineapple, mango, kiwi. I'm going to be making a nice green smoothie. Fresh water in. Here we go. Here goes our rice. Nice, sheeny, beautiful. We're just gonna fluff that and allow it to steam for another 5 minutes. We should be good to go. So you mix in all the vegetables that are on top. Nice, buttery, flavorful. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Then that beef. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna do up some juicing now of the apple, thumb-sized piece of ginger, and some beetroot. You know, I got some perfect with it, but as I say, I'm gonna do the maths. First of all, I like eat from people road. So for me go around and buy food, no. Yeah man. Remember say I know the workout where you do sometime, you know, bro. You cannot work out and you eat right to your body nice up in. Huh? Yeah, but you're not. But brother, when you buy them so much of calories a piece of a soda. So I cannot listen to me and say to you, yeah bro. How much money me tell you say it cost me? Not a lot. You may tell you, even see him pinky there, when you can spend 15 grand, you know? And that give the food for the whole week, you know? And then one next 5 grand for all little snacks, and you can still do a little prep party, you know? And guess what? Better when you say, alright, you know what, on Saturday, we are going to prep and then we eat a proper Sunday dinner. Whatever juice you want to eat, whatever ice cream, but you do the right thing for that one day there. But as I tell you, still, I don't know nothing for you. It's just like, you know. So for the melon now, we use the skin and everything. Cut up the skin and everything, we'll blend up this. And this is going to be our juice. Alright, so we're going to blend these. Drop them in. Get a little spring water. So there you go, we have 1.5 serving of the juice. All good to go. So the beet, melon and everything. Alright, I have a little bit of honey in here. Pinch of salt, literally. This is optional, but we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. And then some peanut butter. about a half cup. Get that in there. Lots of protein, you know what I say? Alright, I'm just gonna warm this in the microwave for about a minute. I have some oats, gonna go in for about 1.5 cups of oats. Gonna add to that a scoop of vanilla protein powder. Just mix that up. So we're making some protein bars. So instead of going to the store and buying all those with a lot of different ingredients, we just do this, right? I'm gonna add in that melted peanut butter and honey. We're just gonna mix that up. Add this onto my foil and we're gonna level this out. So we're gonna try and get this into a nice little square. You get a bar of chocolate, add a little bit of oil. We should have coconut oil, but I don't have any. Drink a little bit of oil. I'm going to heat this in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds. Here we go. Mix that up. I'll just spread that on here. And we'll just spread that. It looks a bit lumpy because I had the same spoon I used to mix this. I didn't wash it or anything like that. Not trying to use a lot of stuff. And yeah, this will soothe the craving, and at least you know all the ingredients that are in here, right? Just gonna pop this in the fridge and allow it to set, and then we're just gonna cut it up into little squares, pop it in the fridge. We should be good to go. Alright, so I have some chicken here. Just gonna clean up some chicken right now. Clean up the chicken nice, you know. Pickle blouse and skirt chicken them. See the most pigeon them. This can never be a tie. Like one of those little beanie birds. It can't be a chicken. Damn, come on, gunk. Come on, fry chicken, man. As people just get chicken and just show it in a pan and cook. So gunky. Some green seasoning in. I'm gonna go in with some jerk spice. Buy the store-bought one. Sometimes I usually make this myself. Little bit of all-purpose, nothing too crazy. Jerk marinade that I had made a week ago. I need every droppings of this jerk marinade. This is like liquid gold. Alright, we're gonna go in. We're gonna mix it up. Gonna add them to a clean container. Chill out and marinate. There we go. Not gonna barbecue and jerk these until tomorrow. Probably by 2:30. Alright, so we have everything prepped. Yeah. I'm just gonna let this marinate for a little bit. I know I have the cooked thing beside the raw thing, but I don't have any more space in the fridge. I'm gonna let that marinate a little bit, and then I am going to just cook it off with the air fryer. All good to go. Meal prep. So the juice, I have a chocolate bar in the freezer chilling out, the jerk chicken. We have the rice, you know what I say? Then I have a little bit of food in those dishes. Yeah, we're good to go. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.